Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, I hope you are fine, right? So, welcome back to our English class again. So, how was your holiday, everyone? Good? Yeah, I hope that was good. So, now it's time to study English, right? So, are you ready to learn English? Okay, I hope you are ready. So, today, I'm going to teach you about Unit 4 that talking about farm animals, right? And today I am going to show you a grammar, alright? So before going to our grammar, I want you to know the objectives of our lesson today. So these are the objectives that I want you to do. So number one, students can understand the grammar. Number two, copy the lesson into exercise book A. And number three, do homework into exercise book B. Alright? So now let's go to our grammar today. So today I'm going to show you about present continuous. Alright? Present continuous. So I want to show you the form of the present continuous first. So this is the form of the simple present continuous. We have subject plus to be, it means verb to be, am, is, and are, alright? Verb to be and plus verb ing. So verb ing, I already taught you about how to change the verb into verb ing, right? So this is the form of present continuous in simple form. Yeah, subject plus verb to be plus verb ing. Alright? So I want to explain you in Khmer a little bit here. Okay? So អញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺនឹងលើកយកអំពី present continuous មកបរៀនពួកយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលចំណុចទី1នេះតើតើជាមួយនឹង simple form បានន័យថាទម្រង់ធម្មតាមិនមែនជា negative ឬក៏ជា question ទេអញ្ចឹងវាមានទម្រង់ subject បូកជាមួយ verb to be បូកជាមួយនឹង verb ing អញ្ចឹង verb to be យើងមានអីខ្លះ Yeah គឺយើងមាន am is and are verb ing គឺយើងរៀនរួចហើយគឺការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរ verb ទៅជា verb ing របៀបម៉េចអូខេអញ្ចឹង let's see the example the duck is swimming in the river the duck is swimming in the river so why we use is swimming because the duck so the duck we use with is verb to be is and verb ing is swimming see swimming we double m right the duck is swimming in the river so subject is the duck and verb to be is and verb ing is swimming alright so subjects plus verb to be plus verb ing and plus something alright so the duck is swimming in the river another one the farmers are feeding their animals the farmers are feeding their animals alright so we use are here because of farmers there are a lot of farmers right plural so we use with are feeding alright verb ing feed to feeding the farmers are feeding their animals alright another one they are going to the farm they are going to the farm so they we use with are and verb ing is go to going they are going to the farm alright another one I am sleeping now I am sleeping now okay so I want to explain you in Khmer a little bit here okay អញ្ចឹងទម្រង់កន្លែងនេះគឺជាទម្រង់ធម្មតាដែលគេហៅថាទម្រង់មិនបដិសេធឬក៏មិនជាសំណួរអញ្ចឹងគឺយើងប្រើជា verb to be បូកជាមួយនឹង verb ing គឺមាន swimming feeding going sleeping អូខេអញ្ចឹងការថែម ing គឺឈើបានបរៀនពួកយើងអស់ហើយពីការថែម ing verb យ៉ាងម៉េចថែមយ៉ាងម៉េច verb swim គឺយើង double consonant m ហើយបានយើងថែម ing verb ខ្លះគឺយើងថែម ing យកម្ដងតែម្ដង verb ខ្លះគឺយើង loop e loop អីចឹងទៅ okay. So now let's go to negative form. So negative form is a little bit the same with just subject plus verb to be and plus not, alright. Subjects plus verb to be plus not plus ing. It's the same. It's different only not. So the duck is not swimming in the river. Alright. So we just add not. So it becomes negative. Okay. The duck is not swimming in the river. So we use not after verb to be. We don't use the duck is swimming not in the river. So it's not like that, okay? Another one, we are not watching TV now. So we are not watching TV now. Maybe we are playing outside, alright? Another one, she is having dinner now. She is having dinner now, alright? They are going to school. They are not going to school. They are not going to school. So I want to explain you a little bit here in Khmer. So អញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះគឺ negative form មានន័យថាគឺជាទម្រង់បដិសេធកាលណាទម្រង់បដិសេធគឺយើងប្រើ not ក្រោយ verb to be មកគឺคล้ายជាទម្រង់បដិសេធហើយអញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍ថា the duck is not swimming in the river ទាគឺមិនហាលទឹកមិនមែនកំពុងហាលទឹកទន្លេទេឥឡូវហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងបានន័យថាគឺជាទម្រង់បដិសេធវាមិនអញ្ចឹងកាលណាយើងប្រើបដិសេធគឺយើងប្រើ not ពីក្រោយ verb to be is are or am alright យើងអាចប្រើ the duck not is swimming បានទេអូខេឬក៏ the duck is swimming not បានទេអញ្ចឹងគឺយើងប្រើ the duck is not swimming អញ្ចឹងគឺ not ហ្នឹងគឺត្រូវតែនៅពីក្រោយ verb to be okay clear okay មានចម្ងល់អាចសួរបាន okay so now let's go to see our exercise so fill the verbs in the bracket into sentences okay so the whale the small fish ate so how is eating why we use is because the whale alright verb ing eating alright the whale is eating small fish alright my sister the fish at the market so verb buy so how my sister is buying fish at the market okay so we just add is and buy change the verb buy to verb ing the farmers are not feeding their sheep so why we just are not here because you see the verb in the bracket they use not feed okay អញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះគឺកាលណាគេប្រើពាក្យ not feed អញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវបដូរទម្រង់នឹងទៅជាទម្រង់បដិសេធវិញអូខេអញ្ចឹងបើគេដាក់ by ធម្មតាយើងមិនបាច់បដូរទៅជាបដិសេធទេប៉ុន្តែបើគេដាក់ not ពីក្រោយមកយើងត្រូវតែបដូរវាទៅជាទម្រង់បដិសេធវិញអូខេ Another one my brothers the eggs so collect so they don't use not collect they use collect so it's the simple sentence so my brother are collecting the eggs alright the farmer the field so they use not plough so here must be negative អញ្ចឹងកន្លែងទី5នេះគឺគេប្រើ not plough not plough អញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវតែបដូរទម្រង់នឹងទៅជាទម្រង់present continue ដែរប៉ុន្តែជា negative form ដោយសារមានពាក្យ not នៅខាងមុខអូខេអញ្ចឹងthe farmer is not ploughing the field alright so now let's go to homework so homework is the same fill the verb in the brackets into sentences so I my chicken soup I some do like add ing already okay so please do it and if you have any question please let me know okay so that's all about today's video and I hope you get it and I hope you can do it and thanks for watching see you next video bye